stranded in the Arctic for the next 7 days! All we have to survive out here is what is currently on our backs. Okay. All right.
We're going down.
All right. We're on like 2 feet of snow right now. We need to get building a shelter because it gets really cold tonight.
Hey, where are we going?
Follow me.
And the cold is only the beginning.
Everything is wrong! Nothing's going right!
You're gonna get hypothermia. My toes were starting to turn a little purple.
Need a miracle right now.
We failed our last survival video, so this is me and my 5 friends' attempt at redemption.
I told none of the boys to bring tents because
What's he doing?
What's that?
this is gonna be our home.
We're staying in snow?
Yep.
Today, we have 2 objectives: create a shelter and build a fire.
Go deeper, guys.
Are you backseat shoveling right now?
We're getting more shovels.
Because as soon as the sun sets here in the Arctic,
Guys, if we don't get inside before it gets dark, we might freeze to death. No pressure.
it becomes so freezing cold at night that exposure to wind for 10 minutes could cause a limb to literally freeze.
I gotta move fast to get firewood.
The deeper we go, the harder the snow gets.
The guys are just going at that snow fort.
We're making a snow fort not only to protect us from the Arctic wind, but also to share our warmth.
Oh my goodness, guys. It's gonna get below 0 tonight. We really need this, or we could actually lose some of our fingers to frostbite. I need to make progress way faster.
It's all dead. Got really lucky.
We got firewood, baby.
Guys, Hayes is here.
Now that Hayes is back, let's see if we can all fit in our fort.
It looks a little tight in there.
We have a place to sleep tonight.
And it's really comfortable.
If we can't extend our legs, yes.
I'm not even in here.
We have 2 hours left of sunlight, and we're never gonna sleep well like this.
It might not be comfortable for these divas, but we're at least not gonna die, which is the #1 priority, that no one dies in this video.
And so we continued racing Nightfall to increase the size of our somewhat habitable shelter while attempting to build a fire.
This fire's gonna be huge tonight. I'm excited. Gotta get it started.
Dude, I don't think we're all fitting in here tonight.
We gotta keep digging. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I can thaw out my gloves now. Now that we have a fire going, you know what that means? Hold this.
All right, what are we cooking? Oh. What are you doing?
Now go put that on the fire and we have drinking water.
This is a big celebration moment, but the sun is literally setting.
Is the house done?
No.
Nowhere near
Right
done,
now,
bro.
I think 2 to 3 can fit comfortably.
All right. See how the water tastes.
Give us a test.
Oh, you would think the water's hot, but because we keep adding snow, it's staying cold. Go, careful. Oh, my jacket's on fire.
Your pants! Oh, they're completely burnt.
Wait, oh, my pants were actually on fire. It's past midnight, so technically it's day 2, and I know everyone wants to go to bed, but the house still isn't big enough. Hayes doesn't fit in it, and neither does our cameraman Darius.
I'm gonna sleep outside.
On day 1, we successfully built a fire and packed into our small and uncomfortable cave like sardines. But man, that was the worst sleep we've ever had.
Bro, the camera is literally, the camera is almost frozen. That was some bad sleep. So cold last night, there's frost all over our bags and everything. This camera is freezing my hand off here.
Dude, I don't have gloves, bro. I don't have gloves.
It's too cold to hold.
Oh my gosh. Dude, my feet are freezing. Can't feel my toes.
Everyone, look! See that plane? Look right there, boys.
Bro, it hasn't been 7 days. What are we doing?
Once a day, that plane's gonna fly over top, and if any of you want to shoot the flare and leave, you can. You just have to shave your head before you do.
You're telling me I can shoot this flare right now and I can go home?
After we shave your head. Now's your time. Do you want to leave?
Last night sucked, bro.
No leaving? All right. See you tomorrow. Everyone's keeping their hair for today.
It was clear that in order to survive 7 days here in the Arctic,
If I have another night like last night, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it.
we would have to expand our shelter.
Darius, why are you filming? You should come help.
I'm just doing what I was told.
All right, so there's 6 of us. The goal for tonight is to have us be able to sleep side by side this way and side by side over here. And if we don't, I'm gonna go home a bald man.
Oh, it looks amazing. Holy crap.
We carved away at our shelter for hours. But the realization started to hit.
What was your plan on pooping?
I thought it was gonna be a poop tent.
But you didn't bring one?
It was on the packing list.
Who didn't pack it?
Well, I didn't have room in my bag.
How are we pooping? We're not! Everything is wrong! Nothing's going right!
They sent me to scout a poop area.
Yeah, if we pooped near camp, it would obviously attract polar bears.
The creepiest thing about this whole thing is I always see animal tracks, but I never see the animal, which makes me think that the animal is always watching me, and I don't like that.
Not many good things weighing on my mind right now. I have thought
pretty intensely about shooting the flare gun. We'll see. I cannot believe this is just day 2. It feels like a day 6 or 7 of a typical challenge. This is one that I'm not sure if we're all gonna get through.
The boys have been working their butts off down there, and I just want to say I'm very proud of them. I really hope we can all get a good night's sleep inside the house, because I probably haven't addressed yet is that we only brought 3, maybe 4 days worth of food, and if we don't start fishing and hunting, we're not going to survive. It's not even day 3, and I think my nose might be getting frostbitten. It's starting to turn purple at certain points, so this is going to be an interesting video.
As darkness set in, the temperature drop was so severe that not even our shelter could protect us from the danger of frostbite.
I can't feel my toes.
Can you feel my touch?
Barely.
Oh, your feet are cold.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he has no color in them.
Oh,
That is not good.
No, stick it in my armpit. My big toe's never that flat on the top.
Chandler's got white toes, probably frost nip, so we've got to get him warmed up quick before it turns into frostbite.
Unfortunately for Chandler, Mother Nature had another surprise waiting for us.
Anyone want to shave their head and leave?
I'm really thinking about
Well, too bad, because the pilot just said that it's too snowy. He can't fly.
Yeah, hang in there. Play it safe today, guys.
So you're telling me the worst day of the challenge so far is the only day so far that we can't evacuate?
What I'm telling you is the days where you're most likely to get hurt are the days the plane can't come.
Oh, man.
Dude, how much did it snow last night?
The weather has definitely changed. It's looking kind of nasty.
So that used to be our camp.
Woo! It is freezing today.
Our main priority was getting warm with a fire.
Come on.
This is normally not hard.
But overnight snow made for a new problem.
It's wet. All of the wood is wet. It's bad.
I've got an idea. Oh, you got the feather.
No.
Here we go.
Oh, there we
Feather
go.
master.
Without this fire, this day cannot go on.
Oh, there we go. We got a spark.
The feathers work. I gotta protect it like my life.
Come on, please work.
Woo!
We got fire.
Yes.
We're focused on warmth right now, but we actually need to be focused on getting some food or something.
I brought one thing that might help. It's an auger.
Fun fact, near our camp is a frozen ice sheet over a lake. So we're gonna use this auger to drill a hole and try to catch some fish. But before we head out, we have to see how Chandler's doing.
It looks better. The color's coming back.
Me and Hayes need to go get food, so who's going to take over doctor duty while we're gone?
I can make sure he's okay.
Thanks, Nolan, for doing this.
You're welcome, buddy.
Let's go see if we can catch some fish. Good luck. Later, boys. Hey, Nolan, take care of Chandler. We'll work on the shelter. Guys, be safe. Don't die on us. Let's aim for one of those dark spots over there. Okay. Maybe the ice will be thinner. Ooh, it's cold. It's so windy.